Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to allow our application to use picture-in-picture function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to turn it on or how to change it. We of course need to go to settings, then we are looking for applications menu. Here it is. Next, three-dot menu right here and special access. And here we have picture-in-picture functions. So what does it do? We have short explanation at the top. Allow this app to create a picture-in-picture window while the app is open or after you have it, for example, to continue watching the video. And this window is shown on top of other apps if you are using it. So we can change, for example, we don't want Chrome to do it, and let's say we don't want our Meet to do it too. And we can simply, as easily, turn it back again. No need to save. That's all. Just back out to the main menu, to our main screen. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.